2011, Indiana, part 3. Just finished shoveling the morning after. This is about noon. I take that back. It's about 3 o'clock. So let me take and show you what we got. As you can see, it pays to be friends with the person shoveling. And take a little walk this way. Give you an idea how tall some of this snow is. Couldn't quite remove it all from the parking lanes because there's just nowhere to put it. Of course, you can tell my parking spot because I made sure I got all the snow out of my area. Poor Camaro. It ain't going nowhere today. My little doggy. And there you have it.